Are you ready to learn a new way of makeup, especially for those under eyes? Because the traditional way of foundation and concealer just isn't working for you anymore. Well, with Demi Color, we're using a color science to filter the excess color that we don't want. So taking care of those age spots, the dark under eye, you're actually only applying the small amount of product to the area that is dark. So you're just taking care of excess color. Applying Demi will be a very slow, gradual approach. You're not going to see everything just disappear poof in one little swipe. So watch the process. So identifying blue, which is what I'm doing here, is I am using kind of a yellow-orange. And yellow-orange will take care of anything that's like dark and purpley. Depending on your skin tone and color, you may need a different color. So it's important that you fill out my color match form and let me know you're interested in Demi. Right now I'm working just my darkness under my eyes and I'm using just a straight orange. Any darkness is actually blue. So it's important for you to understand the concept. I'm going over some of my brown age spots with some red or some pink because age spots are mostly green. So it's important that you understand and recognize what colors you have underneath your eye, and I'm happy to help with that as well. You're going to be using a smaller brush and being very detailed with where you are adding the Demi color correctors. You're not just taking one color and slopping it all over the under eye like a normal concealer. This is very detailed, so the spot brush and the bright brush are two of my favorite brushes to do this with. This works for age spots, under eye, acne spots, any kind of discoloration and darkness on the skin. It works really, really well. Yes, there's a learning curve. Yes, it will take you just a little bit more time until you get the hang of it. Once you get the hang of it, I promise you it's really quick and it's worth learning, especially if you don't like a lot of heavy makeup. This works so good for people who just want to take care of their darkness under their eyes or a few spots, but you can also use it with 3D.